Android browsers today allow you to view, preview and download any video as you see it on the internet. But the downside to this is the video gets downloaded in the video file format .m3u8 in order to discourage video piracy. And the resulting .m3u8 video download won't be able to be played on your PC, DVD player. You won't be able to burn it to a CD. You won't be able to re-upload it on YouTube. You won't be able to share it on WhatsApp or Facebook. Simply, a .m3u8 video will not work outside of your phone. You won't be able to share it outside of your phone. Let me demonstrate it. I will get an error message when trying to play a .m3u8 video file on my PC. So there is only one solution to this problem. Unless you convert this to an MP4, to an MKV or any other playable video file format, you won't be able to re-upload it, you won't be able to burn it, you won't be able to share it, you won't be able to play it. For this purpose, I'll be using a simple video processing tool called 𝑉ideoProc. Another important thing you need to bear in your mind is that any .m3u8 video will consist of two components. One is the .m3u8 itself, and the second is a special folder called a playlist containing all the scenes, all the audio and video necessary to play the video. Right, so you need to understand this special folder called the playlist is the most important of the two. Right, now we'll move on to our video processing tool, our video converter called 𝑉ideoProc. Coming to the video converter, I won't be using the video option because an M3U8 is not an ordinary type of video file that is playable on PC, but a special type of video which has its own special folder called a playlist. So I will be using the video folder option to load its playlist. I will navigate to the respective folder and I will locate its playlist. I will select it and you will see all the contents of the playlist, all the scenes, all the audio and the video of the M3U8 video file getting loaded on the converter. After the video gets fully loaded, a message will indicate how many scenes got successfully loaded and how many scenes failed to load to the video converter program. Generally, one would normally fail, so it won't have a bearing on your video viewing experience. You can simply ignore it. So I will press OK. Next, you will have to confirm that the running sequence is correct. That is, you will have to manually check if all the scenes have got loaded on the converter in the right order. Let me begin with the process. First of all, we'll have scene 0 to begin with, then scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, 6, 7, 5. You see, scene 5 is out of its rightful place. So you can use the arrowheads to order it back to its right position. Likewise, after you have manually verified and ordered all the sequences in its rightful order, after you have arranged the running sequence correctly, we can move to the right corner where we find some extremely useful advanced features determining the quality of the output. Here I will enable to use the high quality engine. Next, I will check the autocopy feature. What do you mean by the autocopy feature? Autocopy feature, if enabled, automatically copies all the properties of the source video and applies it to the output video. So what are the properties? Properties of the video like aspect ratio, frame rate, properties of the audio like audio bitrate. Next, I will enable the merge function. What do you mean by the merge function? Here, let me demonstrate. Here altogether we have 71. We have a total of 71 separate scenes. Unless I enable the merge function, if converted, I will have 71 separate output videos for the 71 separate scenes. Since I have arranged all the scenes in order, I want one output video of all the 71 scenes. Next, I will head on to the target format section located toward the lower end of the converter, where I can choose from a popular video file format, or I can choose a video file format to my liking, or choose a video file format depending on the device on which I am going to play the output video file. Here I am intending to play the output video file on an Android device, so I'll be using the Android H264. By clicking on the gear icon above the target file, I can change the settings, the parameters of the selected file format. Here, by moving this slider to the left or to the right, I can make changes to the video quality. I can change the sample rate of the audio. I can make changes to the audio bitrate. Or else, if I want only the music, only the audio, I can select a file format to which the audio of the video file will get converted to. Here I will be sticking to Android H264, and once I click run, it will indicate the remaining time, that is time required to complete processing the output. So as the remaining time is indicated here, after 36 minutes I will get my output in H264 MP4 file format, which is playable on any electronic device.